buy materials for the van.
Yeah.
For
For
the
ceiling. We're going to the warehouse and check what's the best available materials for the ceiling. So let's go.
Here are gonna buy materials for the van
Yay!
that we just drove to here.
SPF furring strip because it's lightweight and cheap. Hi! So it's 4 o'clock. It's not too hard to work in the car. So we're gonna start putting the insulator in.
First, we gotta use rugby, or they call it Gorilla Glue. Let's go! Let's go, sir! Go! Go! So we tried putting the Gorilla Glue to the insulator and stick it on the roof, but it takes time to dry up and we don't have hands to hold it still. So we're planning to extra hands, and we're planning to put this wood plank first, screw it on the ceiling and insert the insulators. One down! Here's the screw. It's 1 1/4 size. You don't need to pre-drill it. You just go straight to the wood and it goes straight to the metal sheet like that. Easy. At last, we're done with the ceiling. As you can see, it's kinda awesome. Let's go.
Bye.
Okay, let's go.
Bye bye. Let's go.